Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn how to disable automatic updates in Windows. We all know how frustrating it can be when while we are working, a Windows update suddenly pops up or when updates take too long. So let's simplify this. To disable automatic updates on your computer, we will follow two simple steps. Let's get started. First, press the Window button plus R, then Run program will be open. Now type services.msc and press OK. A new window will appear. You can press the letter W on your keyboard to quickly navigate. Look for Windows Update. Right click on Windows Update and select Properties. In the Startup Type drop down menu, choose Disable, then click Apply and OK to save your changes. By following this step, you have temporarily disabled the Windows Update service. Now let's close this and let's move on to the second step to disable automatic updates permanently. First, press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog once more. Type regedit and press OK. If prompted, click Yes to allow access. In the registry editor, go to High-Key Local Machine. Now go to Software. Under Software, look for Policies, then Microsoft, and finally find Windows. Right click on the Windows folder, go to New and select Key. Name this new key Windows Update and hit Enter. Right click on the Windows Update key you just created, select New and then Key again. Name this key AU and hit Enter. Select the AU key. Now on the right hand side, right click, go to New and choose 32-bit value. Name it No Auto Update. Make sure there are no spaces in the name. Once you have typed it, hit Enter. Double click on No Auto Update and set its value to 1 to disable automatic updates. Click OK to save your changes. So you have successfully disabled automatic updates permanently in your Windows 10, 7 or 8 computer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.